This video tutorial will show you how to add, delete, rearrange the order of the items in your drop-down list. PalmTech uses drop-down lists in many areas to make data entry fast and easy. The two main areas they are used are with descriptions and notes. Let's start by taking a look at working with description drop-downs. The first thing we'll cover is adding new items to the list. There are two ways to add items to a description drop-down. The first is to let the program do it for you. If you enter a description that is not in your drop-down list, the program will automatically ask if you would like to add to list. If you click on yes, then what you entered will be added into your drop-down list for future use. The second way is to click on a drop-down and click on Edit List. This brings up the Edit List screen. Here you can add in new items, delete items you don't want, and rearrange the order. We can add a new item in by clicking the Add New Item button and then typing what we want to add in. We can delete an item by simply clicking on it and clicking Delete Selected Item. Let's delete out wood. At the bottom, we have an option for Let Program Sort List. If this is checked, then the list will automatically be arranged in alphabetical order with the 3 most commonly used items at the top. If you want the list sorted differently than this, then you can uncheck the option and manually sort the items. Let's go ahead and do this. We'll uncheck the option, and to change the order of the items, we simply need to click on them and drag them in the order we want. We'll move tile to go below brick and asphalt to be first. Once finished making the changes you want, then click on Close. When we click on a drop-down list again, we can see all of our changes are there. That's a look of making changes to a description drop-down. Now let's go to the note drop-downs. Just like with descriptions, there are 2 ways to add notes to a drop-down. The first is simply to add the comment you want to add to the drop-down, highlight it, and then click the Add Selected Text to Library List. When you click on the drop-down, you can now see our new note has been added. This method works great when you are working on an inspection and type in a note that isn't already in the drop-down list that you want to add. The second option is to click on the drop-down list and click on Edit List. This pulls up the same Edit List screen we saw in descriptions. You add, delete, and rearrange your note drop-down items the same way you do with descriptions. This concludes the video on working with drop-down lists on a PC.